Good morning. This is plantation. You can use this plant for using vegetable plant using for backyard gardening. If you are interested, unless you're still at home for glancing or something, you want something to do in your backyard, you can use this. You can plant like this a chili pepper, a long chili pepper. This is what we call it, a long chili pepper that good for backyard gardening. Chili pepper, backyard, a tomato, chili pepper. You can use it. You want to plant. I don't know. Look at this. This is so beautiful in your backyard. Take a look at this. This is take a look at the beautiful your backyard gardening. It's good. This is a papaya. And you can plant it anytime, anywhere. Take a look at papaya, eggplant. It's an eggplant used in your backyard gardening. So if you are interested, this or there's this, so try to use it, try to plant at your backyard instead you have nothing to do. Try it.